Yellow ochre. Do we really have to buy it, or is it possible to mix it? Let's give it a try. Let's take a little bit of yellow ochre. I will stretch the paint so we can see it better. Beautiful. Okay, let's try to mix the same color. The opposite of yellow in the color wheel is purple. So I will start a little mixture here, blue with red. I have titanium white, ultramarine blue, cadmium yellow, cadmium red, and burnt sienna. I took a little bit of blue and red. I want it to be more reddish, because if it will have too much blue, it can make the color green when we mix it with yellow. So here, a beautiful mixture, blue and red. Okay, let's take a little bit of white so we can see it better. You see, it's becoming violet, right? Now, I will start with a different. First, I want to make it a little bit brighter, like this. Beautiful. Now I will create a different mixture. I want to create some kind of black, because maybe we need to darken the mixture while mixing paint. So I will take blue with burnt sienna and create some kind of a very dark black. Brown with blue, create black. I don't want it to be total black. I want it to be just a dark paint. Here we go. Now I want to start matching the ochre color, right? So obviously this is yellow. I will take cadmium yellow. Let's make the mixture here. We can see that this yellow, the cadmium yellow, is way too bombastic, right? It's so saturated and vibrant compared with the ochre yellow. So what is the solution? I take a little bit from the opposite color of yellow. This will take the punch out of the yellow. I can see that it's a little bit greenish. So I had too much blue in the violet here. So I will take a little bit of red, no problem. And we can see that we neutralized the strength of this yellow. Now we are darker than the ochre yellow. This one is darker. So let's start adding a little bit of yellow. I want to reach the same value. First, a little bit of white to brighten this mixture. We are very close, right? Value-wise. Now I start to ask myself, which one is more yellow? This one or this one? Mine is too yellowish. So how do I change that? I look at this color here. I can see that it's a little bit more orangey, which means more red and yellow. Let's start with red. And a little bit, a touch of yellow. More yellow. Now we have the opposite problem. Now my mixture is more red than this one, right? Than the ochre yellow. So I need more yellow. I will put more yellow here. I will take a little bit of yellow. And now I can see that my mixture, even if I put yellow or red, it's a little too vibrant. It's still vibrant, which means that my pigments in the red and yellow are too strong for ochre yellow. So I need to neutralize this mixture even more. I will take more from this. Now I can see that the yellow ochre has more white in it. Not yellow, white. I will take a little white. It looks more chalky. Here we have it. A little bit more titanium white. We can see now, I can see that this one is a little bit greenish. My eyes. So maybe a little bit more blue. Just a touch. We are very close, very, very close. Now a little punch. A little bit more red. What do we have now? Let's see. Darker. Mine is still darker. A little bit of white. Not yellow, because if I put yellow, it will make it more saturated once again. With white, let's see. Very close. With my eyes, I can see that this one is a little bit more brownish. Let's try a little bit, a lick. You see a lick of this burnt sienna. Let's see what happens. And white. And now this one is more yellowish, but just a touch, just a lick. And a little bit of white, a little bit. Maybe a little bit more yellow, a little bit, just a lick. Let's see, a little bit more, just a touch to make it more vibrant. Yes, see, look, you can't tell the difference. So, buying the color, buying ochre yellow, or mixing it, in my opinion, both solutions are great. Just keep painting. See you next time.